This quick video, you are going to see how to install YouTube on Windows 10 or 11. So to do that, head over to your browser or your Chrome browser. And once you are there, just head over to your YouTube or the YouTube you use on your websites. And once you are there, here you will find it's taking some time to load. So once it is done, just tap on the three dots on the top right. Here you will find it. And here scroll down and here you will find the cost, save and share option. So as we want to download YouTube, we'll just do install pages app. And it says install youtube.com or install app YouTube. So once you click on install, the downloading process will be started. And yeah, this is how easily you can do it. That you just have to follow the prompts and sign in your Google account to use your YouTube. Hope this video helped you out. And if you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.